It's been a long journey, and we still have a way to go. But much progress has been made on the mountaintop.
Thomas Jefferson, our nation's third president, founder of the University of Virginia, and author of the Declaration of Independence, quite literally laid the foundation for American democracy. But alongside his transformative achievements, one deeply troubling fact remained. He owned 607 men, women, and children over the course of his lifetime. For decades, Monticello has been working to uncover the history of slavery through archaeology, research, and oral histories. Now the organization is working to bring that history forward into national dialogues.
If a visitor had come to Mulberry Road 20 years ago, they would not have seen this building behind me, and it would have been much harder to see and experience where enslaved people would have lived and worked and raised their families.
This spring, Monticello is taking another important step forward. On June 16th, we'll celebrate the completion of the Mountaintop Project, a multi-year effort to tell the stories of the people who lived and worked here. One of those stories belongs to Sally Hemings, and will be told in a room opening to the public for the first time this June. My name is Bill Webb. My ancestor Brown Colbert was one of more than 600 people owned by Thomas Jefferson. Today I'm a part of a community of descendants who have shaped Monticello's interpretation by sharing our family histories. On June the 16th, I hope you'll join me, hundreds of other descendants and local and national leaders at Monticello, for a day of celebration, reflection, and hope.